So it's a very exciting day here at Dreaming Tree. I'm proud to announce the relaunch of the official Dreaming Tree app. It has been available on the Android or Google Play Store for quite some time, but we didn't want to start marketing it until it was available for iOS devices like your iPhone or your iPad. And that process does take a lot longer because Apple is a little more strict with what they allow on the App Store. So anyway, I have the app here in front of me, and I just wanted to kind of take you through a little bit of a tour and talk a little bit about the giveaway that we're doing to kind of celebrate the re-release of the app. So here, let's take a look at the app itself. I'll actually, let me delete this app real quick so that we can find it again. I'm going to go to the App Store. And what you want to do is just do a search for Dreaming Tree. And it should come up right there. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and download it. And it only takes a few seconds. It's not that big of an app. And keep in mind, we're not a multi-million-dollar company. We're a very small, family-owned company. I've got 2 employees, so we don't have $1 million to create the apps that you see out there. But for what we invested in this, I would say that is actually really cool. So we're gonna hit allow, and you definitely want to allow notifications because we're gonna be using it to inform you of any new promotions, free gifts, freebies, any special giveaways that we're having, things of that nature. So you definitely want to turn on the notifications when it asks you. So here is the Dreaming Tree app, as you can see, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna have a little area at the top called Leo's Diary. I might change the name, it was just kind of what came to me. And here is the link. They're kind of like blog posts, actually. You can click here. So let's click here, let's take a look. Here's a little journal entry. The holidays are here. I talk a little bit about my personal life too, and then of course you've got a link to the trailer for the latest video. We can actually watch that real quick. So you can see the new products right there. All right, let's close out of that. And then again, there's links. So you can take a look at everything. It takes you directly to the site. And let me make sure this is still recording. It is. Okay. And then also, for those of you that want to enter into the app exclusive giveaway for the Cricut Explore Air 2, you can just click right there. It'll take you here, and there's a little link at the bottom that says click here to enter. And this page is only accessible through the app, so you need to download the app to enter into this giveaway. And you can actually enter once every 24 hours using this, using the app. So let's hit done there and go back. So again, this is where you're gonna have little journal entries. We're gonna talk about new products. I'll talk about other random things. And then down here, we've got the Dreaming Tree Central section where you can click. It'll take you directly to the website and show you all of the new products. It's sorted by the latest releases. Okay, and you can literally do your shopping here or do your browsing here, whatever you want to do. Okay, and so that's that. You're used to the experience of shopping, but now you have it through the app. We also are going to have app exclusive coupons. Now, the top coupon here is a free gift coupon. Obviously, that's not exclusive. Everybody has access to that. But you'll see here that right now, we have a special coupon code for Halloween stuff. And I know Halloween's over, but that's why it's on sale. And these sorts of coupons are only going to be available through the app. Okay, so there's your coupons. You can check the news. Any Dreaming Tree news, whether it be new releases or anything else that we might want to share with you. And of course, we have a little section here specifically for all of our YouTube videos. So you can kind of just have them all in one nice place with huge little thumbnails so that you can see everything. And if you want, you can literally click and play the video right there. So the most commonly asked question I get from new Cricut users is, hey, I just uploaded your file. Of course, you can rotate it. The score lines cut out on a... And there we go. So all of our YouTube videos are in one place. And if you need help and don't want to go to the website, you hit the little help button. There's links that'll take you to the help section directly where you've got everything at your fingertips. You can actually send us an email directly from the app. Let's get rid of that. Let's go back. You can actually text me directly from the app. It goes right to my phone. So if you have a craft emergency, you need a quick answer, you can just text me. You can also call. I'm not going to do that right now. And there's also a contact form if you just want to use a contact form to contact us if it's not urgent. Also, we've got a link directly to all of our freebies so you can see what's new as far as the freebies are concerned. And it's all organized from newest to oldest. Okay, so we've got that. And then also, a few things that I've added. We have a supplies section under Craft Central. Now, we commonly and typically get asked, where do you get this? Where do you get that? Where do you get this? Where do you get that? Well, I've compiled a list of essentials so far, and I'm sure that as time goes on, we'll be adding more items into this. But for example, if you're trying to figure out what kind of cardstock we use and where we get it, just click on the cardstock. And you can see here that I've got a little blurb here that talks about where we source it or where it's available. You can literally click Shop Cardstock. It'll take you to one of our preferred stores, 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop out of Utah. It's a wonderful company owned by two really nice people. They ship really fast. So that's that. And you can see where we get our vellum, the type of glue that I prefer, and the cutting machines that I recommend and why. I give little blurbs. You can actually order them directly from the app there. The embossing machine that I use. As far as inking, what sort of ink pads and where to get them. You can actually, if you have Amazon, you can click buy ink pads. It'll take you directly to the listing where you can just order it conveniently. Okay, and so on and so forth. So that is that section. We're going to have a deals section. Right now, under the deals section, there's nothing, but here's a little hint. We're going to be doing a Black Friday event for Sure Cuts a Lot. So that is where you're going to find that information. And I can just tell you right now, that is going to be a limited run. We only are going to be able to sell so many during Black Friday, so keep that handy. And then finally, we have a submit section here where you can actually send me directly through the app a picture or a video of your project, or you can just write, you can contact us using this as well. So I guess it's a lot, actually. It does a lot. It's very handy. I'm sure there are more things that we can add to it, but I didn't want to go too overboard. Wanted to make it useful and easy, which I think it is. So again, just head over to Google Play or the Apple App Store, do a search for Dreaming Tree, get your app downloaded, and then when you open up the app, right at the top here, you can click on the app exclusive giveaway for the Cricut Explore Air 2. Hit enter now, and again, you can do this once a day through the end of the month. So you can get one entry per day through the end of the month. And while you're here, if you haven't already, definitely go ahead and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. I would really appreciate that. And that's really it. So, and for those of you that don't have a smartphone, an iPad, an Android device, or whatever, we will be having more giveaways. So I'm not trying to leave anybody out, but of course we are trying to raise awareness about our app so that more people download it. So don't feel left out. We will take care of you. And hopefully, actually what I would love is if you guys download the app, take a minute and use the help section and send me a text. Tell me where you're from and your name, and I'll say hi. And I think it'll be really cool. Just a really cool way for us to be a little more connected. And one of the main reasons that I decided to bring back the app, and this is where, if you want to support small business, this is probably the best way to do it, because as you may or may not be aware, Facebook these days, it's really difficult to get through to our customers. Facebook seems to think that it knows you really well, and it knows what you want to see and what you don't want to see. And our posts don't reach as many people. This is our way of kind of circumventing and, having a little more control over being able to reach our community. So it's a really important tool for us, and hopefully it's a beneficial tool for you. I hope you download it. And if you do, I'd love to hear your feedback. So again, get the app, enter to win the Cricut Explore Air 2. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again.
Stay on top of all things Dreaming Tree and engage with us today. Get the latest news and enter in our giveaways on Facebook. Get inspired by following us on Pinterest. Be the first to see our new product launches on Instagram. Do you prefer Twitter? Yep, we're there too. Watch our beautiful product trailers and assembly tutorials on YouTube. For more information, visit www.3dsvg.com. Live, craft, love, and dream.